Here we have a mega 2-tier Avengers themed cake. This is my take on it. It's very similar to the original actually. I wish I could credit the original designer, but that many cake makers have tried their hand at this one that I'm not sure who it was, but whoever you are, you're amazing. So the base is made from Rice Krispie treats, so they're edible, Hulk hands, and then covered in fondant, sculpted. The baseboard's big MDF board. The Hulk hands have internal structures in, so it's not actually Hulk hands holding them up, it's the internal structure, and then I've moulded round. And then we've got a base tier with the theme of Captain America. There's his little shield, and then the top tier, Iron Man with his hand, and it's got a light in it. And then the very, very top is Thor's hammer, of course, and his cape. And then it all sort of comes together with the Avengers badge and the birthday boy's name and his age there just at the side. It's huge, it weighs a ton, but I'm pleased with it. I love it. I hope you do too.